بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum students. I'm your English teacher and today we are going to do paraphrases of the Unit 3 poem Dreams. Stanza number 1 is hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. We are going to write paraphrase for the given stanza, but first of all, let me explain what is meant by paraphrasing. My dear students, paraphrasing means rewriting the writer's or the poet's words in your own words, in your own simple words. You need to simplify the lines. You will not explain the stanza. You are not going to mention the poet's name in paraphrase. You need to write it in a form of sentences. You are not supposed to add something extra. You are also not supposed to explain it. You need to just write the writer words in your own words. Look at the paraphrase. Stick firmly to your dreams and ambitions in life, because if dreams die, life becomes a broken winged bird that cannot fly, that is not able to fly. The life become hopeless. You can see that in this paraphrase we did not explain the stanza. We have just simplified the words of the writers. We have written our own words. We have written our own sentences. The stanza is written in a poetic form, but paraphrases में क्या होता है? We are writing it in a form of sentences. We are going to simplify it for ourselves. My dear students, your second stanza is hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. We are going to write the paraphrase of the given stanza now. I am sure that you have understood the meaning of paraphrasing now, that it is the rewriting of the writer words in your own words. You are not supposed to add something from your own self. You are not supposed to write anything extra. So, just like we had done the paraphrase of the first stanza, we are going to repeat the same method with the stanza number 2. Look at your notes. Stick fast to your dreams in life, because if there are no hopes, ambitions and dreams in life, life becomes a barren field too poor to produce any vegetation. Life becomes hollow and bleak. अब क्या होता है? That your life becomes barren, like a barren field frozen with snow. I have written the same words of the writer, but a little bit different. I have simplified the words of the writer. I have written it in sentences form. The poet has written it in a poetic form, but I have given it a shape of sentence. I have written it in a sentence form. So these two were the paraphrases of Unit 3 poem Dreams. I hope you all have understood it. It's really easy. You can write paraphrases by your own self in coming few poems also. It is going to be really easy for you. So this is enough for today. Inshallah, in our next video, we are going to discuss about the question answers of the exercise. So thank you so much for today. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما